When residential roof repair in Aledo, Texas is needed after a disaster strikes, many homeowners wonder what the first step to take is. Ultimately, your safety is the first aspect to tackle. Ensure that you and your family are safe in your Parker County home, despite the damages to your roof. Once safety has been assured, getting a roofing contractor is next. The contractor can tarp the roof before repairs so no further damage occurs. They will also explain your options to get your roof back into shape. For those who plan on their residential roof repair being covered by their insurance company, it is time to make the call to get that ball started. An adjuster will arrive and take pictures and note damage. Your roofing contractor has often provided you with information that can help the claim process. After the insurance has been approved, the repair can take place. Remember, when Mother Nature hits an area, you'll probably not be the only one dealing with roof repairs, so be patient. For your free quote and residential roof repair in Aledo, Texas, call First Texas Roofing at 817-821-0323.